Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is medium, range is 650, concept is parallelism and pronoun. Whenever you go through a sentence correction question, keep in mind that there are a few steps that must be taken to find out best option. First step is to evaluate passage. Second step is to spot markers. And third step is to eliminate options smartly. What is mean of markers? It is clue to find out error. Remember, sentence correction tests only few concepts, and they are subject verb agreement, modifier, tenses, parallelism, comparison, sometimes idioms. And for each concept, there is marker. So let us begin. It says, according to Henry David, the reason a majority is allowed to rule is not that it is more likely to be right, but because it is stronger. So what is intended meaning? It wants to say that majority rules because they are stronger. Alright, now first marker, that is called parallelism marker. Not but. So not x but y. After not it is that and that is y. After but it should be that, and that is called parallelism error. So option A out. B, not because but because. Fine. So option B is okay. Option C, look here, there is no, oh there is not. So after not it is because, but there is no but, so it is incomplete. It's been what we have to look at other part of error. It says the reason for majority rule is not because they are more likely to be right. They means what? Majority, and majority means singular. Why? Because it is collective noun. So it should be it is more likely instead of they are more likely to be right. Alright, so pronoun error, option C out. D says majority is allowed to rule because of its strength, not because it is more likely to be right. So not is not a single marker. Whenever we use not, it cannot be parallelism. X not y, no. Not x but y. So it is incomplete. Second, there is no conjunction. Why? Because it is more likely to be right is fine, but it is not beginning with because but not. And so they are two different sentences, and for two different sentences there must be conjunction. As I said, not is not a conjunction. So option D out because of incomplete sentence. E says, option D out. E says the reason why the majority rules is that it is strong, not because it is likely to be right. So not but, right? Again here but is missing, only not, and it is incomplete, same as D, and that's why option E out, B becomes best option.